Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I have another daily goodie box. This is for October. Almost forgot what month it was. I see tons of goodies, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing I see is Britenz with Xylitol Brush On Teeth Whitener. Super interesting. Can't wait to try this out. Hopefully it'll help my stains. GoodLight Apricot Olive Leaf. And that's what it looks like. Very herbally. But not deep herbal, like light herbal. I don't know how to explain that. It smells really good though. Bliss CBD Sparkling Water, BLNCD. Pink grapefruit, 20 milligrams of CBD. Interesting. Ooh, coffee chocolate. Coffee made into chocolate. The coffee bar Coba. 1 bar is 1 espresso. Hello. I get up at like 6 in the morning, so I'm gonna be using this in the morning for sure. Small edible spoon, chocolate flavored. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to try these out. Of course I can't wait to try them out. I'm a big eater. Here's something in a little pouch. Actually, a few something. What is this? Chiki, Bliss, pain relief balm. Okay. I was like, everything put together looked really weird. Okay, let's open it up and see what it's all about. Oh, it's kind of like stapled together so it doesn't fall out. So this is pain relief balm and healing hemp face serum. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's see. I think this is like a pamphlet of the information, which is kind of hard to show, but so it's got like a pamphlet of, looks like they're different products. That's cool. And the brand is Chiki. Chiki Bliss. Oh, there's actually 2 of these. This one is pure CBD oil. Okay, really cool. And it even has like your, like how to use. That's awesome. Awesome, can't wait to try. And then this is for the CBD drink. Oh, okay, and then just 2 pamphlets about the CBD drink. So yeah, that is everything in October's daily goodie box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all on my next one. Bye everyone.